Want to look 18 again? Do you want glowing, youthful skin without spending hundreds on overpriced beauty products? Imagine turning back the clock using simple, natural ingredients already in your kitchen. Today, I'll reveal 7 science-backed natural remedies that will make you look and feel 18 again. Let's face it, most beauty products are packed with chemicals that can do more harm than good. A study in environmental health perspectives even linked some skincare ingredients to hormonal disruptions. Instead of playing roulette with your skin, why not embrace natural, proven remedies that actually work? Let me show you how. Coffee doesn't just wake you up, it wakes up your skin too. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which fight free radicals and improve skin elasticity. A 2013 study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that caffeine reduces inflammation and promotes blood flow, which can brighten dull skin. Many cosmetic companies actually use coffee in their products. It can help thicken your hair, get rid of cellulite, tone your skin, and stimulate your metabolism. Milk, the second main ingredient of this amazing mask, is also a superhero when it comes to saving you from the aging process. Milk contains lactic acid and alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, known for its exfoliating properties and moisturizes the skin. Grab a bowl, some milk, and unused coffee grounds, preferably raw. You'll be combining the coffee and milk in the bowl, but it's important that you get a thick paste when you mix the ingredients. Stick to the recommended ratio, 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of milk to 1 tablespoon of coffee. Stir the mixture until it thickens into a paste. When it's ready, you can apply it all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Give the mask 15 to 20 minutes to work its magic. You can then rinse it off with warm water. You will see immediate results. Your skin will be glowing and radiant. Incorporate this procedure into your regular beauty regimen, and you'll love the results over time. Flaxseed is a true powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. Not only will it tone your skin, but it also provides deep hydration. According to research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, flaxseed oil enhances skin hydration and elasticity. That means softer, more supple skin, protected from environmental irritants like dust and air pollution. And the best part? It locks in moisture, giving you that youthful, plump, and firmer look we all love. But we're not stopping there. This mask also features Greek yogurt and honey, 2 incredible skincare heroes. The lactose in Greek yogurt gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells, while honey, nature's ultimate moisturizer, leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Here's what you'll need to whip up this nourishing mask. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Simply mix everything together in a bowl until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. For an easy application, I recommend using a face mask brush. That way, no sticky honey fingers. Apply the mask evenly to your face and let it work its magic for about 10 minutes. Once it's dry, rinse it off with warm water, and voila! Your skin will feel refreshed, hydrated, and oh so soft. Add this to your weekly skincare routine, and trust me, you'll see the difference. Vitamins are crucial for your health, inside and out. Are you sure you're getting enough? We hate to admit it, but Mom was right about this one. So why not listen to her and give your skin the vitamin treatment it craves? In this mask, you'll be loading up on vitamins A, B, and C from apricots, which help improve skin elasticity. Our other ingredient, bananas, is rich in vitamin C and B6, giving your skin a radiant, healthy glow. If your taste buds love these delicious fruits, your skin will too. Here's what you'll need. 1 apricot, 1/2 a banana, 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water. Start by peeling the apricot and banana. Remove the apricot seed, we won't be needing it. Chop the fruits into small pieces and toss them into a blender along with the water. If you don't have a blender, a potato masher will work just as well. Blend or mash the ingredients until you get a creamy mixture. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eyes, lips, and nostrils. Let the mask sit for about 20 minutes. And finally, rinse it off with cool water. Now go ahead. Admire your refreshed, glowing skin in the mirror. Do you like strawberries? Let's start a strawberry fan club. Hit the like button to join. If you're not with us, you're missing out. Just kidding. But if you're a fan of strawberries, here's one more reason to love them. They're anti-aging superpowers. Strawberries are rich in ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant that boosts collagen production and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Paired with egg whites, which are known for their skin firming and rejuvenating properties, this mask is a game changer for your skincare routine. Here's what you'll need: 3 to 4 strawberries and 1 egg, just the white. Steps: start by separating the egg white from the yolk. You only need the white, so feel free to toss the yolk or save it for another recipe. Mash the strawberries until smooth. Combine the mashed strawberries with the egg white in a bowl and mix well. Apply the mask evenly to your face. Feel your skin tightening already? That's the magic working. Let the mask sit for 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Say hello to refreshed, firm, and glowing skin. Cocoa and coconut, an anti-aging dream team. When combined with yogurt, these ingredients create a soothing, exfoliating mask that reveals fresh, radiant skin. By removing dull, dead skin cells, this mask gives your face a natural glow. Cocoa powder, a rich antioxidant, helps flush out free radicals that attack your skin daily, while virgin coconut oil deeply nourishes. Greek yogurt gently exfoliates and soothes, making this mask a perfect treat for your skin. Here's what you'll need: 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of plain Greek yogurt. Steps: make sure all ingredients are at room temperature. Cold yogurt straight out of the fridge can harden the coconut oil, so let it sit for a while if needed. Blend the coconut oil, cocoa powder, and yogurt together until you get a smooth mixture. Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and chest. Remember, your neck and chest can reveal your age, so give them some love too. Let the mask sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, rinse it off with warm water and a soft washcloth. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer for maximum hydration. This mask works wonders for all skin types and leaves you with a healthy, youthful glow. Guacamole lovers, rejoice! Avocado isn't just a tasty treat, it's also a skincare superstar. This incredible fruit is packed with oleic acid and vitamin E, both of which are natural moisturizers that deeply hydrate your skin, strengthen its structure, and shield it from environmental toxins. Olive oil, the second ingredient in this mask, is another anti-aging hero. Its powerful properties help combat wrinkles and leave your skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of avocado pulp and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Steps: scoop out the avocado pulp and mash it into a smooth texture. Mix in the olive oil to create a puree-like consistency. Apply the mixture generously to your face and neck, ensuring even coverage. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. You'll be left with soft, hydrated, and glowing skin. Try it and see the difference. Ever wondered about the secret to Japanese beauty? You know, those ageless women whose skin seems untouched by time? It's often impossible to guess their age. Want to know how they do it? Rice might just hold the key to all your skincare needs. The Japanese have been using rice in their beauty routines for centuries, and for good reason. It's rich in vitamin E, making it perfect for nourishing and smoothing the skin. You'll need 1/4 cup of brown rice flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened organic rice milk, or water if you prefer. Mix the rice flour and rice milk together until you get a smooth paste. Gently massage the paste into your skin using circular motions, just like you would with any regular facial cleanser. Once you're done, rinse your face with warm water, then follow up with your favorite toner and moisturizer. This natural rice cleanser is a simple yet powerful way to add a little bit of Japanese skincare magic into your routine. When you combine science with nature, you get incredible results. These remedies don't just sit on your skin, they actively repair, hydrate, and rejuvenate. Incorporate them into your weekly routine, and you'll notice softer, brighter, and younger-looking skin in no time. Watch people's jaws drop when they get a look at your beautiful, young-looking skin. Until next time, stay glowing.